Hello, we are still on the course of do it yourself and self course. We don't only teach but we carry out practical. It is time for practical. We have a mini truck now that we want to do a routine maintenance on. So stay tuned while we do it. It's time for routine maintenance. We sell trucks and we do after sales as well. This truck here is a customer's truck. It has come for routine maintenance. If you are good in our preventive and routine maintenance, your equipment has no problem, your machines has no problem with or has no business with breakdown anytime soon. So adhere to routine maintenance and preventive maintenance is very, very important. So let's stay tuned as we carry out this maintenance on this mini truck 3.5 ton. So stay tuned guys as we carry out the maintenance. The filters are already on the floor. I want to rush out to get the oil and other things that are required for this maintenance work here. So stay tuned while we'll do it together. Thank you very much.